Yeah, so here we are in US Linear Collider workshop, and this is a very important conference just before the end of this year. That means at the end of this year, we hope that Japanese government will give a positive attitude towards whether Japan will host ILC in Japan or not. Hopefully, Japanese government will give a positive answer to this question. So, as every people know that linear collider is a gigantic scientific tools, facilities to study very important fundamental particles, which is so-called Higgs boson, or we usually we call it a God particle. And this particle is extremely important in the fundamental particle physics, because this particle not only interacts with the standard model particles, but also it interacts with the unknown universe with mass outside of a standard model. So that reason why, after the founding of Higgs particle in 2012, July, at CERN, LHC, this hydrogen machine, we found this particle finally after 50 years, which this particle was first predicted. So this is enormous opportunity, and this is historically in science. This it is very important. Through finding of Higgs, the window to the universe is wide open. So we have a big chance to use this particle, to study this particle, and also to use this particle to explore the unknown universe. And the linear collider, in fact, is like like a machine gun, like instruments that produce millions of clean Higgs, and these allow us to explore and to study unknown universe. So that reason why it's so important to understand the fundamental laws of the universe. So because this is a huge instrumentation, so it costs money, of course. Also, it costs time. But this project is international project. It will involve the participation of the international countries and scientists and engineers around the world to Japan, and to construct together with Japanese scientists and engineers. So it is very important, challenging for the human being to work together to construct this instrumentation, this facility to study great science and fundamental science through these facilities. So personally, and also with all the scientists, so we hope, really hope this project will finally happen in Japan, because we have been working on this project for several decades. And also Japanese scientists, communities also has been working on these subjects for decades. So they have devoted their research, their energy, and their wisdom. So together with government, together with other countries' scientists and our government, so we are ready. So we really hope that at the end of this year, we have a positive answer from Japanese government to show the willingness to host ILC in Japan, and to start a negotiation with other countries, and to put forward another step towards the goal to realize ILC in Japan.